guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey Julia 99 to live and to explore. Hola! So today in this video, I'm going to take you to one of my favorite places in Bandung. It's a hidden waterfall. Really, Julia? Is there really a hidden waterfall in Bandung? Of course! What are you talking about? I've been to many places in Bandung, and I think this is one of the best waterfall that you should see if you visit Bandung. It's really worth it. The name of the waterfall is Curug Aseupan. Curug in Indonesian language, it means waterfall. So, Curug Aseupan is Aseupan waterfall. The location of this waterfall is not too far from this place. So if you want to visit Dusun Bambu, then I suggest you put in Aseupan waterfall into your itinerary so you can visit both of the places together in one day. I've been to this waterfall so many times with my friends, my family, even my guests, and they all love this waterfall. In this video, you can also find a couple of tips that I think might be handy for you to know beforehand, so your trip to Aseupan waterfall will be more convenient. I would say that this trip is a very short track walk. You can basically reach the waterfall around 15 to 20 minutes by walking from the entrance. Just make sure that you enter the site through the first gate, which is 200 meters before the main gate of Ciwangun Indah Camp. I suggest you to come during rainy season because I've been there in dry season, and guess what? There's no waterfall flowing! My God. Just follow the signs and you will find the waterfall pretty easily. Since it's just a short walk, I think using a comfy sneakers or flip-flop would be enough. Oh, by the way, if you have planned to play by the waterfall, then you might want to consider to bring dry bag and also spare clothes. To reach the waterfall, we have to cross this area and then take the blue stairs. Usually there is one guard over there and he will charge you around 10,000 rupiah per person before you climb the stairs. The stairs and the rocks are pretty slippery, so watch out, guys. So voila, here is Aseupan waterfall. If you go past the bridge and then go through the waterfall, and you will find a small area where you can enjoy the ambience of nature. It's fresh, fresh, fresh. If you're not sure about the way, ask the guard just to be safe. This is it, my hideaway. It's splish splash time. I really love this place because they also have a picnic ground. So sometimes I come here with my friends or family just to have a picnic or lunch together, and usually we spend 1 until 2 hours here just to relax and enjoy the nature. Here is a summary of some tips that I gave you. Come during raining season, take the first entrance, flip-flop or sneakers would be fine. Bring spare clothes and dry bags if it's needed. Toilet and places to eat are nearby the entrance gate. And for you, yes, it's you, who want to know more about Bandung City, about the culture, about the best places to visit, you're in the right channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And I will see you in my next video about Bandung. Okay? See you later. Bye.